Welcome. I have had my human design reading done a couple months ago. I'm a human design splenic manifestor with profile 5-2, and I'm told to quit my 9 to 5 job without hesitation so that I have time, freedom, and energy to act on my creative urges. Quit my job. It is a big decision for me to let my job of 22 years go. I have all these fears and doubts. What I'm going to do if I quit my job? What I'm here to initiate? Where would the money come from? What am I supposed to do in the resting phase? Should I trust human design and quit my job? Should I close my eyes, surrender, and jump fearlessly? Today, I'm starting a new series, My Human Design Alignment Journey. My goal to use human design is to understand me, to enhance my life, to make my life better, to make me a better person, to grow. My top priority is to focus on joy, love, and happiness. I don't want to restrict myself. I want to use human design as a tool to up-level myself. In Human Design Alignment Journey, I will be capturing my journey as a female manifestor on camera so I can measure my growth. It may assist any other manifestor out there as well. And I have another free weekly series called Rewiring Myself. Rewiring myself is a journey of my own transformation, my own inner work. If you would like to join me on this journey of inner work, hop on, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Keep Growing with Manu, and save playlist Rewiring Myself Workshop and Rewiring Myself Affirmations. So let's begin Human Design Alignment Journey. If you don't know your human design, you can follow the link and instructions in the comment box and find your human design. Let me tell you a bit about the human design manifestor. According to human design, manifestors are not made to work 9 to 5 jobs due to undefined sacral. It doesn't mean that we cannot. Of course we can. I have worked 9 to 5 for the past 22 years as an IT professional, and I did it well. I raised my two beautiful kids, cooked, cleaned, partied, and all that. We can do all that very well, but then it means that we are living out of alignment. It may have impact on our health or adverse effects in other areas of our life. Manifestors don't have a continuous source of energy to work for long hours due to undefined or open sacral. We work best in short bursts when inspiration strikes. So if we keep ourselves tied to 9 to 5 jobs or overcommit to other things, we won't able to feel our creative urges to initiate. Or if we feel creative urges, we won't have energy to initiate. Manifestor's purpose here is to initiate task. We have power to freely initiate. We have the power to act independently, but we are not the doers. We cannot sustain a task for a long time. Once we initiate, we are supposed to delegate a task to our tribe, to our community, to others for the betterment of the collective. Here is a manifestor definition. Manifestor is designed Manifestor is designed and seeks to have an impact on the world and others. Manifestors are either leader or the lone wolf. They always try to run their own show and resist the direction and control of others. And when manifestors don't live their design, some become angry birds, and some manifestors go completely the other way and become people pleasers to avoid the difficult confrontations. Neither way of living is healthy for a manifestor. Okay, so I should start stepping into my design. But how can I trust HT? Like, how can I trust human design? I don't have many female manifestor examples to build that faith yet. I do have all these chronic pains, but I'm not sure whether it is due to living out of alignment or is something else. I've been running from one physio to another. I don't have an answer to it yet. Despite being active and eating healthy, I have these pains. They boggle me. I don't pay much attention to these pains. I don't let it affect my vibration. By practicing and embodying my positive affirmations, I have saved my YouTube playlist, Rewriting My Self Affirmations, and my another playlist, Daily Affirmations. And I listen to them multiple times during a day to train my conscious and subconscious mind. If you're interested, you will find these videos under playlist section of my channel. So at energy level, I am getting a lot better. I'm able to live happily without any medication through this pain. But still, I'm trying to get a better grip of it. So today is August 3rd, 2021. And at this point, it is not easy for me to just quit my job right away. So until I have full faith in my design and I have courage to take this leap and quit my job, I will keep working on aligning other aspects of my life according to human design. And also, I will keep doing my inner work. I will keep recording and sharing my human design alignment journey with you. If you're a manifestor and quitting your job made your life better, please let me know. And I will see you next time. Love you loads, sending a lot of abundance your way. Bye.